Hey guys, it's Kevin from Subi Speed. It's the beginning of the month and that means it's time for a new products video. If you guys haven't done so already, be sure to click on the subscribe button down below so you can stay up to date on any new install videos, product reviews, and coverage of any of the events that we go to. Also visit our website and click on that new products tab so you can see all the new products that we are constantly adding. That being said, let's take a look at what we've got for this month. To start all off, we've got some Hoonigan apparel and accessories, everything from t-shirts like the one I'm wearing right here, to hoodies, hats, socks even, as well as vanity plates, keychains, and stickers. So if you're looking to upgrade your wardrobe or you just want to pick up some little knickknacks, check them out on our website. Next up, we've got 3 new products from Private Label Manufacturing. This here is their J Pipe, which features a 3.5-inch turbo outlet merge collector that smoothly transitions to 3-inch mandrel band piping. It's a 2-piece design that utilizes a V-band connection for ease of installation. They even include all the necessary hardware and gaskets, as well as a set of new turbo studs and nuts, because most of you guys know these are a pain in the ass to remove. Moving to the back of the car, we have their muffler delete track pipes installed here on our WRX. They're made out of 304 TIG welded stainless steel, weighing in at about 8 pounds each, so you are saving a little bit of weight compared to the stock mufflers. And as you can see, they have 3.5-inch staggered blue tips, so if you are looking for an inexpensive way to get a louder, more aggressive exhaust note, pick up a set of these. Rounding out the PLM products, we have their charge pipe. This is a direct replacement for your restrictive OEM plastic charge pipe. It's going to smooth out your airflow with larger diameter piping for better intercooler efficiency, which translates to increased throttle response and decreased turbo lag. It comes in this nice red powder coated finish, and it's a pretty simple install. Speaking of the charge pipe, moving right along, we have the Process West Canacooler. Not quite sure how to pronounce it, but most of you guys are familiar with their Verticooler. Well, this is a more conventional top mount intercooler setup. It's a direct replacement for your OEM intercooler, which is actually quite inefficient. It's slightly larger and provides you with better volume and surface coverage. Includes a new splitter to accommodate for that larger size, and dyno tests show a 48% cooling improvement over stock, which is freaking ridiculous. While we're standing here in the front of the WRX with the 2018 front clip installed, we're going to talk about the OLM OE Plus fog light kit. This is going to be for you guys with the models that don't have fog lights installed. This kit includes everything you need to get them installed, including fog bezels, mounting hardware, the fog lights themselves, wiring harnesses, and anything of that sort. So if you're looking to improve your visibility and add fog lights, we've got you covered. Switching over to suspension, we have the Neo Max Series coilovers. Now the goal for these was to give you a quality performance coilover at an affordable price. They come with adjustable camera plates with pillow ball top mounts. It is an 8K front and rear setup, and there are 3 different versions for you to choose from. There's a standard version that gives you up to a 3-inch drop, an extreme low version that starts off with a 2-inch drop and allows you to lower your car all the way to the ground. And then there is a Rally Max version that allows you to raise your car up to 1.7 inches. These give you complete control over your height and damping, so if you're looking for an affordable, adjustable coilover, these should definitely be on your list. Next up, installed on the back of our race car, we have the OLM Attack roof spoiler. Now, unlike their first roof spoiler, which had more of a curved and laid back design, this has more of an angular, aggressive design. It has a matte black finish and installs easily using 3M. So if you're looking for something to change the look of your rear end, here's another option for you. Not too far from the roof spoiler, down on the trunk, we have the IPU carbon fiber trunk lip spoiler. Now this is a brand new design that I think a lot of you guys will enjoy. It keeps the flat surface of the trunk on this horizontal plane here and builds down from there instead of coming up at an angle like most others do. It also contours the outer edge of the trunk perfectly, which allows it to run with the STI spoiler or many other spoilers and wings out there. Speaking of spoilers and such, this here is the Maxton gurney flap for the STI spoiler. We actually tested these for them a while back and had them make some changes, and they are now back and available on our website. Also on the back of this car, we have our customized full replacement gloss black emblems, which are now available not only with red stars, but white, as well as matte black. So those are a couple new additions for you guys to use to customize your emblems. While we're still by the race car, we got to check out the Perrin Neon Yellow's front strut tower brace. that matches up perfectly with the neon yellow on our race car. Heck, maybe I should install this on this car, but I probably shouldn't since these are limited edition. So once they're gone, they won't be available any longer. So go ahead and order yours today on our website. Now last month I showed you guys, or at least I think it was last month, I showed you guys the AMS intake manifold for the Subaru STI EJ series motors. We had a couple comments saying that they were ridiculously ugly, so we actually went ahead and coated a bunch of them, and they're now available in blue, black, red, as well as gold. They look freaking awesome, especially with the raw logo showing here. I think it's an improvement over the raw look, but if you were into that raw finish, they're still available in that finish as well. Now I'm not gonna go over any of the numbers, they're available on the product page. Over here on our STI, we have the Carbon Reproductions carbon fiber mirror covers installed. Now these are actually full replacements that pop into place of your OEM covers, and they're not just covers that 3M on top. Now what they do is take an OEM mirror cover and actually overlay carbon fiber on top so you get the perfect fitment. Last but not least, we've got in some new Option Lab R716s that Corbin is actually photoing right now. I'll show you some pictures that he's taken. These are in an onyx white as well as a midnight blue and an 18 by 9.5 plus 35 fitment. All right, well there you go guys. Those are some of the new products of this month. If you guys liked what you saw, check out the links down in the description. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to email us or give us a ring. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest videos. I'll see you guys next time. God damn it. Oh, this sucks.